We ask this through Christ.
Hawakan ang kamay ng iyong mga anak. Hold the hands of your parents or guardians. And we pause for silence. Dear graduating students, feel the hands of their sacrifice in ensuring that you shall finish the degree from the University of St. Louis.
Mixed emotions, Lord, of joy, of sadness, and a bit of anxiety. Joy because we finished another ladder in our journey to live and love. Sadness because we shall leave familiar faces of friends, classmates, and our teachers. Anxiety because we do not know what lies ahead of us. But Lord, we are always confident that you will be with us as you are always in our quest for higher education.
Tell them all your story when you light up the world. Shine with all that fire in your eyes. Big hearts, we rise up higher than we thought we could. Alive and love and all this good stuff. Go light up the world. Follow it to every horizon. Tell them all your story when you light up the world. Light up the world.
By virtue of the power and authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees as the President of the University of St. Louis-Tuguegarao, and upon attestation of your academic dean that you have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements of the Commission on Higher Education and the University of St. Louis-Tuguegarao, I now declare you graduates for the school year 2022-2023 and confer upon you your degrees with all their associated rights, privileges, and responsibilities. Congratulations, dear graduates.
Tell them all your story when you light up the world. Tell them your story. Light up the world. Follow it to every horizon. Tell them all your story when you light up the world. Light up, light up. Light up, light up. Light up the world. Light up, light up. Light up the world. we're taking.